Hi girls, it's Karina Katrina from Tone It Up, and it's that time of year.
Yes, it's fall time, and we're here to keep you accountable to make sure you're feeling fit and fab all fall. And it's the 31-day challenge.
I love this challenge because we are going to go from October 1st to the 31st with daily workouts, daily challenges, nutrition challenges, and we made you a 31-day meal plan that you're going to absolutely love. And the recipes are, there's nothing like pumpkin spice.
Warm and cozy and healthy and delicious.
And everything nice.
Oh, hungry.
So make sure you sign up below, and we're going to immediately send you another video explaining everything that you need to succeed during this challenge.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Let's have a fabulous fall together.